Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Android app development for beginners. And in this video we will see how to use autocomplete text view in Android. Autocomplete text view is just like normal edit text, but the main advantage or main feature of this text view is it will give you some suggestion while typing some text inside this text view. So let's get started. First of all, I have this blank project, and in here what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for autocomplete text view in the expert category here. So this is autocomplete text view. Just drag and drop into your activity, and then you can change the ID, or you can even change the text inside this. I'm going to leave this text as empty, and I'm going to leave this ID as it is. Okay, and if you want, you can just change the property of this autocomplete text view as layout width. I will change it to match parent. Okay, so that it fills the parent, right? So just change the width, layout width to match parent, and it will be resized. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go to our main activity.java folder here, or for Java file here, and in here first of all we will define autocomplete text view instance. So just write auto complete text view, and then just give the name of this variable. I will name it as AC text view, for example, and then for showing some list inside this autocomplete text view, for the list of suggestion, what you can do is you can define a string array. So I will define a string array, and for example we want to enter some country names inside this text view, and we want some suggestions. Okay, so depending upon the characters we insert in this text view, we want to match them to the country name characters and then give us the suggestion. Okay, so I will name my variable as, and I will initialize this string array by some values. So I'm not going to take every country name, just some country names which start from A. Okay, you can extend this array by taking each and every country name or array of your choice, and then what we are going to do is we are going to take this auto control text view, and we will just find the ID of the auto control text view from our activity main.xml. Now what we are going to do is, first of all, we need to create an adapter or array adapter which we can set to this autocomplete text view. So let's declare this array adapter variable. Array adapter is equal to new array adapter, and this takes 3 arguments. First is the context, second is the style, so we will take the style from Android dot r dot layout dot simple dialog item. Okay, and then the third argument we will pass it as our array, string array, And now once our adapter is created or adapter instance is created, we just need to set two things. One is we just need to set, so just take your array adapter instance from here, dot set threshold. And what this threshold does is it takes an argument which is an integer. So for example, we give argument as 1. So it will wait, your array adapter text view will wait for one character to show the hints, right? If we enter here 2, then your array adapter text view will wait for 2 characters to be entered, and then it will show the suggestion or hints. Okay, so it depends upon you how many characters you want to enter uh, to get the suggestions. Okay, and the second thing is we just need to set this adapter. So just use this variable text view, autocomplete text view dot set adapter, and we will set the same adapter which we have created here. Okay, so this is the code. Now we are going to just run our program. So now our app is running and we just need to check whether it works or not. So let's check. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter some country name with start from A, for example A, and it shows me this hint. So because we have set here set threshold as 1, so we will get the suggestion whenever we enter our first character like this. Okay, and for example I want to search AR, I get the two countries suggestion, Argentina and Armenia. For example, I want to search for AU, it gives me two options, or I can search for AZ, it gives me one option. So in this way you can create a autocomplete text view, and you can provide the hints according to your array, and in this way you can use autocomplete text view in Android. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye.